I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Paytm on the device where you made the purchase. Once signed in, go directly to My Orders or Profile to find device subscriptions. Make sure you have the order ID or transaction note visible because you'll need it to identify the sound box. If the app prompts for verification, complete OTP quickly. This secures access and prevents accidental changes. Now that you're viewing purchases, you're ready to select the Soundbox entry to begin cancellation. Once on the Soundbox order page, tap the action menu labeled Manage, Subscription, or Similar. You do this because cancellations are tied to that exact order. Next, choose Cancel Subscription or Request Return depending on whether it's a recurring plan or one-time purchase, and follow the on-screen prompts to select Reason and Confirm. Make sure to read the refund policy shown. It explains timelines and amounts. If no cancel option appears, use contact support within the order to request manual cancel. You finalize by confirming cancellation and noting the reference or ticket ID displayed. This proves the action and helps in disputes. Once confirmed, monitor your Paytm wallet or bank. Refunds typically follow the provider's stated timeline, so check the refund policy and expected days. If you don't receive confirmation or the option was unavailable, contact Paytm support with the order ID and screenshots. This is the fastest way to resolve stuck cancellations, and you should escalate if you don't get a response within 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.